101. Calcification of roots of decidous teeth is completed by? Answer: B. 4 years. 102. All embrasure spaces are reflection of the? Answer: A. Form of the teeth involved. 103. Distal contact of upper first premolar is? Answer: D. A and B. 104. The permanent mandibular second molar differs from the permanent mandibular first molar in number of? Answer: A. Cusps. 105. The interdental papilla is located in the? Answer: C. Cervical embrasure. 106. An 8-year-old child comes to your clinic with large front teeth having jagged margins. What is the treatment plan for this patient? Answer: D. Assure him and send him back. 107. A child has 12 permanent and 12 decidous teeth. What is his age? Answer: A. 8½ years. 108. Which statement is correct about decidous dentition? Answer: B. Mandibular first molar erupts at 1½ years of age. 109. The maxillary teeth which have single antagonist are? Answer: D. Third molars. 110. Mesial concavity making the prognosis poor for a furcation involvement is present in? Answer: B. Maxillary first premolar. 111. Which of the following muscle helps in depressing the mandible? Answer: C. Lateral pterygoid. 112. In occlusion, the teeth have? Answer: D. Surface-to-surface contact. 113. Difference between mandibular and maxillary premolars is that in the mandibular premolars? Answer: C. The lingual surface rounded and less developed. 114. Mandibular second premolar 3-cusp type ID developed from? Answer: C. 5. 115. Which of the premolars is usually the smallest? Answer: C. Mandibular first. 116. The largest permanent tooth in the mouth usually is? Answer: D. Maxillary first molar. 117. The root completion of permanent teeth is achieved after years of eruption? Answer: B. 2 to 3. 118. Ratio of mesial distal width to height of crown of maxillary canine is? Answer: B. 8-10. 119. Contact areas of anterior teeth which are placed in center of middle third? Answer: C. Distal contacts of maxillary laterals and canine. 120. The shape of the occlusal surface of the permanent maxillary first molar is? Answer: D. Rhomboidal. 121. The sharpest cusp of primary first molar tooth is? Answer: C. Mesiolingual. 122. Maxillary facial and mandibular lingual cusps require sufficient occlusal length and horizontal overlap for? Answer: D. Soft tissue protection. 123. Largest cusp in permanent mandibular first molar is? Answer: A. Mesiobuccal. 124. Once the enamel formation is complete, the tooth will erupt after approximately? Answer: C. 3 years. 125. Divergence from contact area in proximal surfaces causes embrasures? Answer: D. Facially, lingually, cervically and occlusally. 126. dentin islands are frequently found in the root canals of which of the following permanent teeth? Answer: C. Maxillary, second premolar and mandibular canine. 127. In how many years the central incisors erupt as permanent teeth? Answer: A. 8 to 9 years. 128. The side towards which mandible moves is called the? Answer: C. Working side. 129. Mesio-distal width is more than cervico-incisal length of crown in? Answer: B. Decidous maxillary central incisors. 130. The permanent anterior tooth, which is most 20. Commonly atypical, is? Answer: B. Maxillary lateral incisor. 131. The contact area on the distal surface of a maxillary first premolar should be placed in? Answer: A. Middle third of proximal surface with lingual embrasure greater than the facial embrasure. 132. The premolar alveoli are what shape in cross-section? Answer: C. Kidney-shaped. 133. The teeth that are retained for the longest period of time are? Answer: E, B and D. 134. The maxillary molar crown of an early fossil primate featured a trigone made of 3 main cusps. These cusps were? Answer: C. Mesiobuccal, distabuccal, and mesiolingual. 135. Which of the following permanent teeth is usually bilaterally symmetric when viewed labially and incisally? Answer: C. Mandibular central incisor. 136. Calcification of third molar begins at? Answer: C. 8 years. 137. Which of the following premolars has a mesial marginal ridge more cervical than the distal marginal ridge? Answer: C. Mandibular first premolar. 138. Transverse ridge is prominent on occlusal surface of which of the following decidous teeth? Answer: A. Mandibular first molar. 139. Which of the following is the smallest posterior tooth? Answer: B. Mandibular first premolar. 140. A radiograph of 4-year-old child reveals no evidence of calcification of mandibular second premolar. This indicates? Answer: B. The teeth may develop later. 141. Which of the following are the unctions of contact areas? Answer: D. All of the above. 142. With respect to their permanent successors, the sum of the mesodistal diameters of the first and second decidous molar is generally? Answer: B. Greater. 143. On opening the mouth, if the jaw deviates to the right side, it indicates the paralysis of? Answer: A. Right lateral pterygoid. 144. Basically TMJ is A? Answer: D. Diart-modal joint. 145. The first evidence of calcification of primary anterior teeth begins approximately between? Answer: A. 14 to 17 weeks in utero. 146. An imaginary occlusal curve that contacts the buccal and lingual cusp tips of mandibular buccal teeth is called the? Answer: D. Wilson curve. 147. Which bifurcation is closet to the cervical line, or which surface has short root trunk length in a maxillary permanent first molar? Answer: B. Mesial. 148. Facial occlusal line in the maxillary arch is formed by? Answer: D. Non-supporting cusps. 149. Beginning of eruption of permanent tooth starts? Answer: C. When half of the root is still to be formed. 150. The crowns and roots of primary molar at their cervical portions are more? Answer: A. Slender mesiae distally.